Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. There are so many movies based on haunted hotels. Some of them are inspired from true events and some of them are a work of fiction. Whatever it is, we always love to watch horror movies with different categories. So here we are discussing about 5 best haunted hotel movies.
Some people, solitude.
The Shining. Jack and his family move into an isolated hotel with a violent past. Living in isolation, Jack begins to lose his sanity, which affects his family members. The story of the recovering alcoholic Jack Torrance taking care of the Overlook Hotel for the winter, we learn of its disturbing past, and the story slowly unfolds as Jack spirals into madness. Before erupting into a violent murderous spree, the music is low and morbid, the cinematography is claustrophobic and feels like an ever-present being following our 3 characters. The Shining is terrifying in a psychological stance, and it doesn't jump out on you, but it screws with your head as if you are going insane with the characters. Everybody has their own stories as to what The Shining truly means, but there is no real answer. But just as Kubrick himself said, real is good, interesting is better. Dr. Sleep. Struggling with alcoholism, Dan Torrance remains traumatized by the sinister events that occurred at the Overlook Hotel when he was a child. His hope for a peaceful existence soon shattered when he meets Abra, a teen who shares his extrasensory gift of the Shine. Together they form an unlikely alliance to battle the True Knot, a cult whose members try to feed off the shine of innocence to become immortal. The explorations of alcoholism, post-traumatic stress disorder, and evil steam-sucking killers somehow round off into being one of the most gripping, edge-of-your-seat, jaw-dropping horror movies ever made. The expert call back to The Shining tie in flawlessly with the new story revolving around Danny Torrance. Hell House LLC. 5 years after 15 people were killed during a haunted house tour, a documentary crew visits the scene to investigate what really happened. A good plot that kept the viewer interested, suspenseful, felt real. The only issues were some of the same footage were constantly showed, but besides that, not a bad film to watch. Although it does feel like something is missing from this film, which is why we didn't give it 5 stars. However, we would still recommend as it is a pretty decent horror film. 1408. The plot revolves around an author named Mike Anslin who has built a worldwide fan base by debunking the supernatural and, in particular, haunted establishments. He is working on his next bestseller, and while traveling around the country visiting sites, he becomes aware of the Dolphin Hotel. After being repeatedly denied the opportunity to stay in the room 1408, his agent finds a loophole which forces the management of the Dolphin to accommodate him. The psychological torture that ensues him, questioning his subconscious, thinking he's been drugged, and other explanations as to what he's experiencing. The plot is taut, psychological, thrilling, terrifying, and has a twisted ending. The Innkeepers. When 2 employees at a New England hotel discuss hauntings and ghosts, their curiosity wakens an unwanted presence. It's the last few business days at the historically spooky Yankee Paddler Inn, and 2 employees spend their hours by indulging in some amateur ghost hunting. But as the clock ticks down, it becomes apparent that the hotel's haunted past is anything but an urban legend.